I think you know what buckwheat is. Buckwheat is a kind of cereal, the dry one, kind of popular culture in Eurasia, and it is also used here in Japan as a drink. So I only tell it because you need to understand that buckwheat fruit is absolutely dry. And the same is for fruits as a whole genus Polygonum, which is very close to the buckwheat, Fagopero. The dry triangle fruits, supposed to be distributed with likely gravitation, simply fall out the plant. Maybe also water will play a role in the fruit distribution. But some species of Polygonums went further. They reinvented the animal distribution of the fruit. So how to make an animal to distribute the fruit? Well, the most obvious solution is to make it visible and fleshy. So both things are important for animals to see it, catch it. And then of course you should also guarantee that the actual seed will survive the digestion process one or another way. So in that case, the most important step is to make fruit fleshy. But how to make it from the dry fruit? One of solution is invented from plants of nettle family, which uses multiple flower spirants together to make a compound in fructescence, like a raisin bun filled with actual dry fruits. And similar solution is invented by species of Polygonum. So this is a Polygonum chinensis. This one uses purines of the flowers to make a fleshy envelope of the fruit. Frequent mechanism in the plant world. So first you make fruit dry, but then you decide to change the course of fruit distribution. Okay, this is possible. And purines will use for flowering, of course, and then it will use it second time, so kind of double dip purines, which at first will attract pollinators, usually insects, and then when flower is pollinated and fruits start to ripe, purines also increases size and usually changes the color. So you can see here in Polygonums that purines are initially white, and in the more older flowers it starts to be kind of bluish blackish, and then in the end of the flowering process, when fruit is almost ready, purines start to be black. So that contrast, black purines and white flowers, is very visible for animal distributors, and they likely will catch these fruits, will drop the dry, real, true fruit, because it's not edible, like buckwheat, center of that one, and eat what is fleshy in this part. So this is reinvention of fleshy fruit in Polygonum. This is also interesting because it's a climbing plant. As you see, this is a Lucina shrub, which is climbed by multiple plants, Minispermaceae family, for example, and also this Polygonum, which is, by the way, not a big news in the Polygonum world. Some species of Polygonum are climbing quite well, in a broad sense, I mean Polygonum. So this is a Polygonum chinensis, the normal component of Japanese flora, and also growing very well on Okinawa. So I'm staying on Okinawa, and today is January 27. Thank you very much.